how to make a trail in Scratch tree. So firstly, I've already made some examples for you. So this is the logo of a band named BTS. So I'm going to show you the trail which I have made for it. So firstly, I need to click on this green flag. I will click on it, and you can see these colors at the back, like this. You can take it anywhere, and the colors will be following it, like this. It will be an effect. Now I can stop this by clicking on this red button. Now I'm going to show you another example, and same way this is the logo of army. I'm going to click on the green tab, and now it starts again. Like this, you can take it anywhere in any direction. Now I can stop it, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So before starting, I want to tell you some important things which you need to remember while making it. That this is a sprite. Here are the options for each sprite. The options for each sprite appear right here. This is the stage, means the background. So, and this is the backpack. You can click on it. It's loading right now. And right, the firstly, the backpack of yours will be empty because you haven't made any project yet. If you have made, then it wouldn't be empty. So you can use the backpack, like you can take any code from your screen, drag it into the backpack, and then it will be stored right here. Then you can go to another screen, means another project if you open, and you can open your backpack and drag the code out like this. You can drag it, and then the screen will become blue, and an image will be right here. Just leave it right here, drop it, and then it will be there right here. I'm going to scroll to check it. See, it has come right here. Now I can close the backpack. So we need another sprite here. We are not taking up this sprite right now. So I'm going to delete the sprite. Firstly, let's choose a backdrop or the stage. You can also draw your backdrop, your own. But I want to choose right now. So today I'm going to show you how to make a trail of a star. So for making a trail of the star, I'm going to choose the background of space. Space, I'm going to search right here. And then you get many backdrops related to space like this. So I think so I should take a galaxy one, because the stars one means the stars are way too small right here. So I'm going to take the galaxy one. The backdrop is loading. Okay, it's there now. You can choose any other backdrop also, and you can make the trail of any image, means any sprite. So here I'm going to click on this cat right here. You can click on this paintbrush to make your own. So it's loading right now. Till then I can search also. I will write here star. and then I can get the sun, the starfish, and a star. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to edit it also. I'm going to show you how to edit it. So here is my little star. It will appear on the screen also like this. I'm going to go to costumes. It's loading. Right, so this is my star. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to change the outline. Outline color I want it to be, means I want it to be white, fully white. Okay, now the stars fill. The stars fill is fine. I'm going to remove this star. This is the smaller one. I'm going to just delete this by clicking on delete. Yes. Now I would like, if my star has some eyes, I'm going to now click on the circle. I'll choose the outline color now, which should be black, fully black, dark black. Okay, now I'm going to make my circle. This is my circle. I'm going to change its fill color also to black. I'm going to drag it now and place it right here. Now I'm going to copy this image and then right here I'm going to just 1 minute. It did not get copied. Yes, now I'm going to copy it. Copy image. And okay, it's not getting copied right now. Let me try again by clicking on this copy. Okay, not the star I want. I'm going to paste it now. And there it is. I'm going to drag it right here. Now I am again going to paste. I had copied it earlier, so I'm again going to paste it. And its fill color will be white, like this. And its outline should be no outline. So I'm going to click on this square with a slash. Now it has no outlines. Now I'm going to select my circle. I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to drag it right here inside, or no need of a circle only. So we just make the smiley and let's continue then. Okay, now I'm going to go to reshape. I'm going to select this. Now I'm going to go to select I'm going to drag it right here, and there it is. My stars happy. Now I can start with the coding. I'm going to go to code like this, and now as I already have the code, I'm going to just take it out of my backpack. This is the first one, and this one is the second. Okay, now I'm going to close my backpack. Let me see where my second code is. Okay, it is right there. Right, so I'm going to explain you how this code works. So, firstly, we need an event. It is very important to start our code. We cannot start our code without an event. So now I've taken the forever loop from the control options and this event from the events like this. Control, you can see this forever option. Now go to mouse pointer option. I've taken from motion. Right here, go to random position block, then click on this little arrow and choose go to mouse pointer. Click right here and see there are two options. You need to choose this one, mouse pointer. Now create clone of myself. I've taken from control. I'm going to scroll down to show you that option. See, here these three are for clones. I've taken create clone of myself. So this code says that when this green flag will be clicked, then go to my mouse pointer's position, means wherever my mouse pointer will be going, it will be going right there. And then it will create clone of itself. And when it will start as a clone right here, then it will repeat this 10 times. It will change the color effect by 10, and then it will delete that clone. So you can write any other color also right here. You can take up 25 also, but I like 10. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Firstly, I need to create some clones. So I'm going to take this block out. No need of creating clones right now. Right. So I'm going to run it. I can take it to full screen also. This is the full screen control. I'm going to click on this button, and now it's in full screen. Now I can click on run. Just a minute. See, here also they look so beautiful. Like this, you can make a trail for yourself. You can make it for some other things also. Anything you can use. So I'm going to exit my full screen now. Let me change the color effect. Let's take it to 50 and see what happens. So I'm not so I'm going to take it to full screen. Now let's run it. Okay, different colors. You can use flowers also right here. See, when I move it slowly, then all the colors are visible at the back. Like this. So this was how we make a trail in Scratch. Thank you. Hope you like